Hi, this is Ankit, and in today's video we are going to unboxing the Arduino Tinker Kit. So first of all, Arduino Tinker Kit is an educational kit which gives you the ability to create something innovative and creative for solve your daily life problem, for solve your society problem, and learn with fun. So let's see what's inside this kit by unboxing it. In this kit, first of all, you will get a welcome message and greeting. There is a welcome message that dear innovator, welcome to the STEM club, and there is a quote that creativity is the secret sauce to science, technology, engineering, and math. And there are some instructions to join the Google Classroom, virtual classroom of that Narayan Dojo STEM club. So in this kit, you will get an Arduino Uno. One 400 points breadboard for your programming circuit, a USB cable for powering the Arduino Uno, a wooden base for fixing the Arduino and breadboard, a small box with 150 pieces assorted registers, a PIR sensor, and one micro servo motor, one small DC motor, one screwdriver for your general purpose, and there are 30 jumper wires, 10 male to male, 10 male to female, and 10 female to female. In this kit you will also get this small box with some small electronic components. So let's see what's inside this box. So in this bag there are different electronic components like one ultrasonic sensor, one 9-volt battery with battery connector, one 7 segment module, one buzzer, one potentiometer. There are 7 push buttons and one RGB LED. There are 3 nuts and bolts for screw the Arduino and breadboard on that wooden base. There are 2 purple LED, 2 green LED, and 2 red LED, and there are 1 LDR register. So with all these components, you can make the different projects. You can solve the different daily life problems. For that, starting with all these components and operating all these components.
With this kit, you will also get a one idea and activity ebook. In that ebook, there is a getting started guides with Arduino Tinker Kit, and there are 20 plus basic to advanced projects which you can make from yourself without any guidance.
And for your EGS, you will also get the free 4 weekend classes by our mentor for clear your doubts and for making your projects. So with this kit, you can make the different projects like this.
So you can buy this kit on narayandojo.com/shop, also on Amazon and on Tindy Store.
Thanks for watching.